If Lucidchart is showing a 502 error, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary issue that can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix Lucidchart Error 502, from a hard refresh all the way to checking for outages and network problems. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's understand what error 502 means. A 502 bad gateway error usually happens when one server gets an invalid response from another server. With Lucidchart, that can mean the issue is on the service side, but it can also be caused by your browser cache, cookies, browser extensions, VPNs, or even a network restriction. So we're going to start with the easiest fix first. Step 1 is to perform a hard refresh. A normal refresh may reload the page from cached data, but a hard refresh forces your browser to fetch the latest version directly from the server. If you're on Windows or a PC, press Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. After that, wait a few seconds and see if Lucidchart loads properly. If the error is still there, move on to step 2 and test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. Open a new incognito window in Chrome or Edge, or a private window in Firefox or Safari. Then go to the Lucidchart login page and sign in again. If Lucidchart works in private mode, that usually means the problem is coming from a browser extension, a saved session, or corrupted browser data in your normal browser window. Next, step 3 is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old files and login data that can interfere with websites like Lucidchart. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. Set the time range to all time. Make sure both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Then click Clear Data, restart your browser, and try logging into Lucidchart again. If you still see the 502 error, step 4 is to check your network settings and temporarily disable any VPN. Sometimes a VPN, firewall, or company network security setting can block the connection Lucidchart needs to make to its servers. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it and reload the page. If possible, try a different network as well, such as a mobile hotspot. That can help you figure out whether your internet provider or local network is causing the issue. Now for step 5. Check the Lucidchart server status. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. It may simply be an outage or maintenance on Lucid Software's side. Go to the Lucid status page at statuslucid.co and see if there are any active incidents or service disruptions. If there is a confirmed outage, the best solution is usually to wait about 10 to 15 minutes and try again after the service is restored. If none of those steps work, try one more thing. Refresh the page after logging out and back in, or try a different browser entirely. In some cases, switching browsers can bypass a broken session or extension conflict. You can also disable extensions one by one if the problem only happens in your normal browser window. That helps identify whether an ad blocker, privacy tool, or script blocker is interfering with Lucidchart. The good news is that most Lucidchart Error 502 issues are temporary and can usually be fixed without contacting support. Start with the hard refresh, then try incognito mode. Clear your cache and cookies, check your VPN or network, and finally verify the Lucidchart status page. Follow those steps in order and you'll have the best chance of getting back into your diagrams quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with another Lucidchart or software error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.